What's up, traders? Welcome back to another video. Today we'll be reviewing my trade on Ulta. Now, Ulta had a gap up this morning, as you can see, closed near this low, 236.90s, and opened up at 256. So it had a huge gap up. It reported better than expected Q3 EPS results. Also narrowed its FY19 EPS guidance, and it also had above analyst estimates. It had a gap to fill on the upside, so that's one bullish sentiment I had on this stock was that it did have a gap to fill on the upside, so it had potential. It was trading in the middle of the range, as you can see. It had a resistance up here, a support down here, and it was trading in between. It opened in between the range, so I was expecting this to go near to the resistance. So that's why I was bullish on the stock this morning. Okay, now getting into my trade. So if we go to the 1 minute candle, we can see this had a nice support in the morning, had a nice resistance. I had a huge spike up in the morning, create a resistance at the top. I skipped out on this move. I didn't want to chase. It had no pullbacks. It had no setup. It had no entry. So I skipped that and I waited for a pullback. So now I got in at 262.44. 262.44. So as you can see, this long wick, two candles got rejected by Weavalt. So this was bullish. It created a higher low. So now I was betting on the stock to go up. Created its resistance, got rejected, pushed up. So now you can see that buyers are in control because it got rejected first. Opened lower, closed high, got rejected, tried pushing down, created a higher low, got rejected, and closed to the high. So this is a bullish candle. So now we had one false breakout and then to the downside, opened up higher. So now you can see, now you can start seeing the flag. And then I entered 262.44. Now I was risking about $1. 266. No. 262.44. So yeah, 261.44. Around there. So a little more than $1 was risk. So now I had my original push up, kept my stop loss here, waited for the bounce. It had the break of the previous high. So now I was looking for this high to become a support. So we had the push up, a rejection, a higher low. So this is when I moved my stop up from here to my entry. So once I got this push up, once I started getting this push up, I moved my stop up, started getting more of a push up, moved my stop up, slowly but surely, now like about there. And why did I move it up here? Because this was a previous resistance. It closed above the resistance in the morning, so this was now a support. So now I was betting on this support to trend higher. Then I ended up moving my stop to the highs right here. I ended up moving my stop to the highs. It went up, took me out. I thought it was gonna have a continuation, but then it broke down, and as you can see, it's trending up. So trending down. So now this was, I think, a really good trade. I made 2 to 1 on my money with partials. As you can see, I took 1, 2, 3, 4 partials. So that's it. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys found this helpful. I hope you guys learned something from this. If you want to know how I found Ulta this morning and how I knew it was gonna have potential, um, leave a comment below and I'll let you know how I found this stock this morning. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed and thanks for watching.